Imagine living a life free from guilt, distractions, and constant battles with your inner self. A life where you are in control, confident, and focused on building your dreams. Today, we are talking about a challenge that many people face but rarely discuss: porn addiction. This silent enemy has held back countless individuals from reaching their full potential. But here's the good news: you can overcome it. In this video, we'll guide you on how to break free and retake control of your life. Porn addiction isn't just about watching explicit content. It's a cycle that deeply affects your mental health, relationships, productivity, and even your self-worth. The truth is, you're not alone in this struggle. Millions of people deal with this issue every day. But no matter how hopeless it might feel, recovery is absolutely possible. All you need is a plan, determination, and the right strategies to help you along the way. Understand your why. The first and most crucial step is to understand why you want to overcome this addiction. What is your motivation? Is it to build better relationships, focus on your career, or regain your self-respect? Whatever your reason, make it clear to yourself and write it down. Your why will be your anchor when the journey gets tough. Remember, a strong purpose leads to strong action. Identify and avoid your triggers. Every addiction has triggers, those moments, feelings, or situations that push you toward that behavior. For some, it could be loneliness, stress, or even boredom. Then work on avoiding or managing these situations. If loneliness is your trigger, spend more time with friends or family. If stress pushes you toward unhealthy habits, learn relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation. Replacing these moments with positive activities is key. Use technology as a shield. In today's digital world, technology can be both a problem and a solution. Use it wisely. Install website blockers that prevent you from accessing adult content. Set time limits for your social media usage to avoid boredom scrolling. And most importantly, use your devices for productive purposes. Watch educational content, take online courses, or learn a new skill. Transform technology from a distraction into a tool for growth. Surround yourself with positive influence. You can't do this alone, and you don't have to. Find a support system, whether it's friends, family, or online communities. Many groups are dedicated to helping people overcome addiction. Being part of a positive community will not only provide encouragement, but also give you a space to share your struggles without judgment. Build a new fulfilling routine. Breaking free from addiction isn't just about stopping a bad habit, it's about replacing it with something meaningful. Engage in activities that uplift you. Start exercising, pick up a new hobby, or volunteer for a cause you care about. The more fulfilling your daily routine is, the less room there is for unhealthy habits. Educate yourself about the effects of porn addiction. Knowledge is power. The more you understand how porn addiction impacts your brain, emotions, and life, the more motivated you'll be to quit. Read books, watch educational videos, and listen to podcasts that explain the science behind addiction and recovery. This knowledge will help you see why quitting is one of the best decisions you'll ever make. And practice patience and self-compassion. Recovery is a journey, not a race. There will be moments when you slip up, and that's okay. What's important is how you respond. Don't let one mistake undo your progress. Be kind to yourself, learn from your setbacks, and keep moving forward. Remember, every step you take, no matter how small, is progress. Overcoming porn addiction isn't just about quitting a bad habit. You have the power to change. It all starts with a single decision: to take control of your life and your future. If this video resonated with you, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might need this message, and subscribe to the channel for more life-changing content. Remember, you're stronger than your challenges, and every step you take brings you closer to the life you truly deserve.